Welcome back to the channel. You're looking at the mighty HOHAN truck, built tough, built to work. Now check this out. One of our Kenyan clients just drove this beast 1,200 kilometers non-stop, from Mombasa to Kampala. Didn't break a sweat. You see these tires? They're not just for show. If you've ever driven a HOHAN dump truck, you know what I mean. If you haven't, drop a comment. Would you test drive this? Strong trucks, stronger stories. This machine's got both. And hey, if you like this, check out my video on the HOWO NX next. It's linked right here. Don't forget, like, comment your country, and let's talk trucks. Catch you in the next one.